Hi, this is Gihan from Gihan's Test Automation Lab. Today's video is about creating a new tab and creating a new window using Selenium 4 in a single session. And further, I will explain how to move from parent tab to a child tab and do some operations in child tab and again switch back to parent tab and do some operations. First, I will explain the manual flow and I will go to the automation part after that. First, I will show. First, you need to create a Maven project. I have already created a Maven project, and in my POM XML file, I have added set of dependencies. Uh, First one is the Maven core dependency, and second one is the Google Guava dependency, which is introduced by Google, which has a set of collections, Java collections, and other dependency is the TestNG dependency. Another one is the Selenium Java Selenium 4 alpha version 7, which is the latest one, and the other one is the WebDriver Manager. I added this dependency because I need not to add my Google Chrome driver and set the Chrome driver path in my project. So all these dependency can be downloaded from Maven repository. Just open Maven repository and you can search Selenium Java and you can add the latest version. Just click on Selenium Java and you can see here the latest version is alpha 7 in Selenium 4. Just click on it and just copy this and you need to paste it in your POM XML file. Likewise, you can search for Maven Core and you can get the latest version. Copy this and paste it in POM XML file and you can get the TestNG. I have used TestNG 6.14.3, which is more stable. Just click it on it and you can get the dependency from here. And you can get the this dependency as well. Click it on it and you can get this one as well, Guava dependency. So after that, once you added all the, and you need to add the WebDriver Manager also. Just in Google, you just type WebDriver Manager and you can click on the first link, this, and use just scroll down and you can get the dependency from here. After adding all the dependency, you can create a Java project in your test package. Just right click it and new Java class. You can give any name. I'll add so this is my class. I will add the before class. Inside this, I'll add WebDriver Manager. I'm using Chrome driver for my test. Setup. I will add my test using test annotation, which is in TestNG public void Here I will add driver, new Chrome driver, and I will add my URL. I'm using first. I'll explain the manual flow which I'm going to automate. So I'm using wix.com as my test website, and I'm opening this website, and first I need to scroll down to the bottom, and I will click on this Facebook icon. Once click on Facebook icon, you can see a new tab gets open, and in here you can let's click it again. Here once move to the Facebook page, you can see you can enter your email and password, and I'm going to enter my email. And apart from that, when I'm clicking on this Facebook icon, I'm calling the open a new tab method which introducing Selenium 4. So it will open another tab, Facebook tab. So you can see two Facebook tab. It gets open once click on this Facebook icon. So after that, uh, once I type the email in the Facebook pages, and I switch back to the parent tab, and I scroll up, and I click on sign in button, and after that I will enter the email in this parent window. So I will explain the automation now, and first I need to get the URL. So I'll go to Wix, and I'll copy this URL, and I need to paste it here, and I need to maximize my window driver dot manage dot window dot full screen. Full screen is introducing Selenium 4 to maximize the window, and if you want to minimize the window, there's a new method called dot minimize. Also here you can see minimize. So I'll maximize my window screen, and once I navigate to this page, I need to wait till the page load. So I'll capture this button, and wait till this button is clickable. After that I will scroll down. So I'll click on this button. I can get this text, get started text. It's inside span. You can, I'm using a relative XPath, so that's why I'm using / span text, and I can give the text which I copied. Here you can see there are 8 elements which has the same text, so um, I need to get a unique XPath, so I will go little bit top, and I will get it from here, data test ID I'll get it from here. Data test ID from here. Slash data dash test ID equal. I'll paste that one. And after that, I need to go to the third div. So slash div 3, and after that I will put double slash a inside anchor tag. So this one is inside this anchor tag, so I need to put a. You copy this X path, and if I move my mouse pointer on top of it, you can see get started button gets highlighted. So you copy that one and you need to, I'll paste it here for the time being, and you can write driver dot find element by XPath, and you can paste that XPath. So I need to wait till this to be clickable. I will assign it to element. I'll define that in at the top of the class, web element, and after that I need to wait. I'm using explicit wait, so I need to create WebDriver wait object. WebDriver wait equal new WebDriver wait, and inside this I need to pass two parameters. One is the driver, other one is the number of seconds which I need to wait. In earlier Selenium 3 I can enter the seconds directly, but since it's deprecated now, in Selenium 4 I need to, if I go inside this method, you can see if I move my mouse pointer, you can see here deprecated methods. All are has been deprecated. So the one which is not deprecated is you can enter the driver and the duration. This one, duration, and you can put the time in milliseconds. So I need to write like this: dry duration dot seconds, and I need to put it 5000 means 5 seconds. So I'll write wait until expected conditions dot element to be clickable, and after that I need to pass this element inside that. Just copy it and paste it here. So it will wait till the element to be clickable, that get start button, and after that I will scroll down. In order to scroll down, I need to capture element below also. So if I scroll down manually to the bottom, you cannot see the Facebook icon, so I need to scroll a little bit top to make it visible, the Facebook icon. So I'll capture this text first, this text. So it's inside a p tag, this one. I will capture that from here, from footer. From footer I can tab capture it. I'll write XPath footer open square bracket at data hook, data dash. Then after that I will equal, I need to pass the text. So it will highlight this footer, and inside the footer I need to get this p tag. So I will go /div will come to the below div, and inside that you can see ul and div, and inside this div it's p tag is there. So I can write div and /p. If I take my mouse pointer, you can see the text gets highlighted, and you can see there are 3 elements. So I need to get the first one. I'll write like this. So you can see here 1 out of 1. I just copy this one, and I'll dot find element by XPath, and I will paste that one. This is the second element. I'll define as element 1, and I will define it in top. After that, I need to capture the Facebook icon also. So I'll right click on it, inspect, and you can see it's get highlighted SVG, which is the Facebook. So I'll go top little bit, and you can see, since I have captured the div up to here, just remove this p tag, and inside this I need to go to the ul /ul games here. So if I move my mouse pointer on top of ul, you can see all the icons gets highlighted. If I move here, so I need to get the Facebook icon. So there are, you can see inside ul there are 6 LIs. So I need to get the first LI. First LI is the Facebook icon. Second one is the Twitter icon. So I will write /li1. That means the Facebook icon. So I'll click on, I copy this one, and if you want you can put /aid anchor tag. Just copy this and you can paste it here. I define element 2 equal driver dot find element by XPath, and I'll paste that XPath here. So now I'll write my explicit weight. No, I'll write now the how to scroll. So in order to scroll, I use a JavaScript executor. So I need to cast my driver to the JavaScript executor. So I will use JavaScript executor. Dot execute execute script. And I need to, if I move my mouse pointer, you can see you can see here I need to pass a string and I need to pass the object. So in order to pass the string, I'll write arguments square brackets 0th element dot scroll into view and open brackets and true, and comma the object I need to pass the element. Which element should I scroll? I will write element 1, which is the text which I have already captured, and it will scroll to that element. So after that I need to wait till the Facebook icon to be clickable. So I'll write wait until expected condition element to be clickable. I need to wait till element 2 to be clickable, and I can straight away click use click. So once I click this, it will open a new tab and with the Facebook page. So if I run this, yeah, it went so quickly. It scroll down and it click the Facebook icon. So the test is passed, and now I need to write, and again I'll show the new method which introduced by Selenium for opening a new tab. So I'll write a driver dot switch to dot new window. This is the new method which introduced by Selenium for new window, and here I need to pass the window type, and you can pass if you want a new tab, you can pass here tab. If you want a new window, you can write like this also window. This will open a new window. I'll execute this and see. You can see once click on Facebook, it open a new tab Facebook, and it will open a blank window, new window. So we can give a URL in this blank window. So instead we can write dot, and we can use get, and you can pass the URL. If we want to get this as our new window, we can copy that URL and we can paste here. I'll run it again. Here you can see in the new window, Facebook got opened. So now uh, write the email in these two tabs. In order to do that, I will capture this email text box. I need to find the, so it's a input tag name input, and from name attribute I will capture this one. I'll copy this one, input tag name. This is the element. So there are two elements which has the same XPath. So I will capture it from top. I'll capture it from form ID. Form ID, form open square bracket at ID equal, and I need to go to the table slash table. After that I need to go to the table row. Inside the table row, if I write like this, it will get the correct email. I'm using double slash. So inside this table I'm searching for this input tag which has the attribute name equal email. So inside this table you can see only one attribute which has the name, and it will select this. If I hover my mouse pointer, you can see email text box get highlighted, and you can copy this one. I paste here. So I will write driver dot find element by XPath. I will cut it and I will paste it here. I will define this as my element so I need to first I need to before that I need to switch to that child tab. In order to switch from parent to child tab, I need to write use window handlers. I will write driver dot get window handles. So from this it will get all the three tabs. Since I will change this to tab for the time being. So it will open three tabs in the same window. So from this method it will capture all the three tabs, and I need to get it to a set collection. Set collection is used in Java. You can use set string, and you can give a name, any name. I'll write all windows. So I need to import this set. Okay. After that I need to iterate uh, so I will write all windows dot I'm using the iterator to iterate among the three types. So I will use iterator collection. This is also an interface in Java iterator string. And you can give any name. I will write a window. I will write a window. So after that, I need to get the child and the parent window separately. So I will write window. Next, this will give me the parent window string parent window, and if I call this method again window next, it will go to the first child window. So I'll write string child window 1, and I need to go to the second child window also. I will copy it and I will change to child window 2. So I need to send my email in the child window. So I need to move. I will write driver dot switch to dot window, and I will specify the window which I want to move. Since I want to move to the child window, I will paste the string here. Now the driver move to the child window. So after that, I can use I can use this element. I can click on this element. So and I can pass a string to that element. So I can write element 3. First I need to click on it, and I can after that send keys. I can give my email. I'll write rehan1@gmail.com, and once I've written, I can copy this same thing and I can paste it here, and I can change this to child number 2, switch to, and I can change my email also. After that, I need to move to the parent window. So I can write copy this one and I can switch to parent window. After that, I need to click on sign in tab, sign in button. In order to capture the sign in button, I will go to the page and I will right click on sign in button, and I will inspect the sign in button. So you can see there are two signing anchor tags. So in order to capture the signing button, I will use a relative locator and I will call to left. So I will capture this language first and use relative locator and use left off to capture the sign in button. So in order to capture the language, I will capture it from this button. So I can use this one. I can use button data. I can use button open square bracket data here. Like this, I can capture this language icon. So I need to copy this So this one is inside the li tag. You can see here. If I move a little bit up, you can see it's inside the li. So I will unfold it, this li, and I will move my mouse pointer a little bit down. You can see the sign in button is it's in the next li. So I need to traverse between this li. So I will go to my code. I'm using here relative locator driver dot find element relative locator dot with tag name. So I need to traverse between li. So I will put li here, and I will call to, it's in the right hand side. So the signing button is in right hand side when compared to the language. So I will call to write off, and I will paste the by XPath. I will paste the XPath inside here. So, and I can straight away use click. That means I am clicking on the sign in button. So once click on the sign in button, the sign in page gets open. In that page, I need to, if I do it manually, I'm clicking on the sign in button. You can see the sign in page gets open, and I want to enter the email here. Just right click and inspect element, and you can see here it's a input tag, and I can use autocomplete, and I can pass the text here. It's inside, it's a input tag. I'll write input. So you can see there are two email text box. You can see 1 out of 2 here. So I need to get the first text box. So I will go a little bit top, and you can see here there's a desktop dash input tag. If I unfold this, you can see there are several desktop dash input. So I will click, I will capture from here, sign in. I will capture this one, the first one. Sorry. I will capture from here. Yes. New class, new class. Then I will pass my value. So it will get there, and new class email. Sorry, it's email. Email, and then that means I am capturing this one. And after that, I need to go to the first email. I need to go to the first desktop dash input, first one. After that, I can write like this relative. That means a double slash and input box. So you can see 1 out of 1 here. If I move my cursor on top of it, you can see um, here you can see email gets highlighted. So you just copy this XPath and paste it driver dot find element by XPath, and you can give the XPath which I copied, and you need to click on it first, and after that you can send the email address. So I will get the copy and I will write send keys, and I will give a different email address, 3 at gmail.com. So I'll execute this and see. It's open in the web browser, and after that it's open in the two Firefox browsers. Firefox, not Facebook windows, sorry. And you can see I'm clicking on sign in button and I am entering the, so test got failed. Let's see, in the first child I have entered the email, and the second child also I have entered the email, but once move to the parent node and I click on the sign in button, but it failed to enter the email. Let's look. So this is our error log. So this is the line which got the error. So it's difficult to find the email. So I will add a wait until element to be clickable, and I will pass this element by its path, and I will wait till this text box to be appear, because once click on sign in button, it takes some time to load the page. So I will add this one. Now let's run and see. You can see the two tabs got open. I'm coming to the parent window. After that, I think the XPath is wrong. I need to correct it. Mm, this XPath is wrong. I think let's copy this one again and let's go to the. I paste it here. Here there's no like that. Something has happened. I need to get this one. Div class not email. It should be sign in with email. Sign in with email. Now it's correct. Just copy this one and go to the. I will replace it with the new XPath. So let's run it now. Yeah, the test got passed. You can see the third email got entered in the parent window, and in child window also you can see the emails address got typed. So that's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please like my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.